If your living area feels tight even with enough space, the issue is usually the layout and furniture choices. So this transformation turns it into a modern contemporary space with better flow and smarter furniture placement. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas. You get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Starting with the family area, the seating arrangement keeps the space organized and easy to use. Next, the Zen Area. The setup creates a calm spot away from the busier zones. Now the space feels more open, organized, and easier to move through. Each zone has a purpose, and every piece works together instead of competing for attention. So with better layout choices and thoughtful planning, your space can work better every day. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.